That's where we all go. Ooh. Good boy. He a Laker fan and a 49er fan. Vlogmas day 25 aka 24. Happy Christmas Eve, guys. I just wrapped all the rest of the gifts that I had left over. Alright guys, well, I'm all ready to go to this Christmas party. Just put my hair up in like the little braids that I've been doing, but I curled it this time. Kind of been liking the little side braids. I don't know what you would call them, but let's go out with the family. I don't know how much I'm gonna vlog or what I'm gonna vlog. I mean, the squad will be there, so I know you guys love them. Having a field trip.
Who's gonna start the caroling?
Not me. Did we just add one to our group? Get in line!
You thought it's a cannon, but it didn't.
Oh my god, it looks like.
Which one?
Look at the cannon.
Oh my god, that's so crazy!
Oh my god, everybody looks so cute.
No, look at his lips. He's so cute. Where's no one took that out yet?
We're in the nice area.
Oh, yeah. We need someone to take all of us a picture. Thank you, Santa.
Say hello to the vlog.
Hi, vlog.
Are you guys all excited?
Is that the mayor?
Is that the mayor? Do you want to go meet the mayor? You guys having fun?
No.
Having the time of my life.
I didn't tell my mom out here, so don't tell her.
I'm gonna tell her. Go. You gotta sing it loud though.
Hit the mode.
I'm playing on my phone, bro. You won't?
Do it. You ain't gonna do it though.
I'll actually play it.
Wait.
I'm not doing this shit.
The queen herself.
You guys want to take a picture? Yeah.
Where's my edges?
Oh, so sorry. We're all up in your way. The lighting was too good.
It was just too good.
Hey. Your shoes are so cute compared to my trashy.
Mine are all messed
I feel like he got another ball.
I look like I'm about to go ice skating.
I want to go ice skating.
Olivia looks like her shoes like she's gonna go. No.
Oh. Tea. My thoughts on this game right now. How's the family gonna play this? Are they gonna be nice? Are they gonna be mean? I'm not gonna be
Naughty or are you
I'm not.
nice?
But then people be doing too much sometimes, so that's why I'd be like, I ain't trying to spend that money. It's good because last time I got some random heels.
Sell them. Flip the bag. You gotta flip the bag.
Even though one of my gifts I actually kind of want it back, so I might go after my own gift. Say all the tea, Olivia. Because you're not a part of it, so it's perfect.
Let me get my tea.
So these are all the white elephant gifts. They have us all seated already, but they haven't made the papers yet. Thank you. I agree, yellow's the best color. See the tea, guys. 17. Wait, why do you... La rules. La rules. That's where we all go. Ooh. There's tape everywhere, I'll help you. Wow!
It's for me.
It's for mommy. You have more gifts under the tree afterwards. This is just a game. Dang, girl, do you not like her speaker?
No, I just...
Finna steal that. Yeah, Macy's. Bet you it ain't from Macy's. That's how they get you. Alonzo's still bitter 2 years later. Jesus. Right? That's what I would have done. I would have re-gifted them. What is it? What is it? It's a bra, y'all. Honey. All of a sudden, she's happy.
Okay, wait.
Drew.
If the guy goes want to steal that present, you need to try that.
You gotta wear the bra for the vlog! You gotta wear the bra for the vlog!
For the vlog.
Do it for the vlog! Maybe it's gonna be for Hawaii, bruh! Maybe it's gonna be for Hawaii! Oh!
Hey, let me get that.
That was on.
What you want, woman?
I always do.
Ooh, tea. I'm over playing that word way too much.
Okay, we love her.
I thought with money.
Oh, wow.
She has the bra.
Far from it. Far from it.
Is that a drone? Like, you were like, throw away the boxes. Why are you keeping the box?
Wanna know why I'm Memphis?
Yeah, Daddy. For all those long flights to Memphis. Damn, Andrew, you are a salesman. You just that car makes likes. Y'all don't know is Andrew's gift is a car.
The sandwich is also good.
Hey, I said the sandwich was not on sale, okay? I will return to that. Oh my God, Tiana, you be hanging out there for too much. Is that a waffle maker? Is that a waffle maker? I'm stealing that. I'm stealing the waffle maker. I'm gonna lie, I've been dying for a waffle maker. I'm gonna steal it. I'm gonna steal it. I hope somebody steals it before me so I keep it. A tripod. Don't be thinking dirty, Aunt Carla. It's a tripod, alright? It's a tripod, so it.
Oh, that's it. I thought it was one of those big selfies. I go big.
No, we don't do selfie sticks here.
It's anti-selfie stick. What is that? Barbecue? Oh, it's a little grill.
It's a grill. Oh, it's a mini grill.
Hey. You live by me. I keep making them all the time at my house. You live by me. You come over. Steal it.
She has a plan for this one.
But you're gonna steal it back. Exactly. Then you can come over and I'll make waffles. That waffle maker. Bet. I'm gonna steal that waffle maker from America.
You got me my phone. Hey, she's only the second owner.
You're not helping. Oh, I know. I had this planned out. I wanted somebody to take it before.
You keep getting waffle makers?
Is there another waffle maker? Y'all better stop with these pots and pans. These are Alonzo, once again, they're half off at Costco right now. I'll get you one. Had to use one of the PR packages, you know, but it's not PR. Yeah, I put bread in there. I'm distracted. I want that waffle maker. Damn, what is it? What is it, Eric?
Hey, that's a cool.
That's kind of cute for like an office.
Oh, look, that wasn't your gift? I thought that was your gift.
Yeah, I bet you love Jameson. I'm always home. I can make them for you. That's it. That's it. It's yours. My own blood took it.
My birthday's coming. I'll take the
It is. Yeah.
When your own brother does you dirty, I don't want to do it.
Wait.
Did you take the princess wrapping paper?
I don't care what do you got.
What is it? For those lunches, bruh. Those school lunches.
Show everybody. What is it?
What is it? I should have got the pillow.
I should have got the pillow.
Sander, you and Ronnie, date night, you feed her on that. She'll love you forever. Yay, she liked my gift.
Where's the tequila?
Over there.
Tripod on it.
Oh no, this is mine. This ain't part of the game.
Socks. Ew. You don't fit that. Ew.
Oh my god, Andrew got He's a Laker fan. He's a Laker and a 49er fan. I'm dead. He a Laker fan and a 49er fan.
She is not playing.
Switch. give me my damn waffle maker.
She wants that waffle maker.
I don't want this. I got stuck with all these cups. Y'all didn't. I got all these cups for all my million friends who are gonna come drink with me. I got no friends. And then a bottle of Jameson. I don't drink alcohol. I'm 12. No, but it's Raiders abajo.
Cállate vos.
Was that in the Old Navy bag? It seems like the Old Navy bag and that bag came to get it. There's something Raiders in there. Well, I can just give it to you. My anxiety is kicking in. It's just a mini mouse little thing. Don't worry about what's over here. I'm in bed.
Hold on, she's signing something.
What you talking about? This is not a Chipotle gift card. I don't know what y'all talking about. Okay, sis, let's get it.
Wait, can I take the neck pillow? What? I'm trying to take the neck pillow. God damn. Wow.
Oven, a picture, Brian? Is there a picture of me on there for everybody to look?
Okay.
Is that art or is it just the frame? And like,
The Andreas was really cute. Look at the Andreas.
but did you see the Minnie and the Mickey? Ooh! Yay! Bravo! You really want the bro? Okay.
Hey, he's allowed. I got the water fountain.
Yes! Eric, she's like, just take my baby.
Let's go.
To be honest, you guys aren't really that well at giving gifts. I don't know what else I want now at this point. I have an aesthetic, and that's not it. Is it some marble? You know me so well. No, there's probably some Raider stuff in there. No, that's for little kids.
Give it to Malia.
Such a dick. You keep in that bag. If there's something Raider in there, I'm gonna be mad.
It might be a potato.
This looks like a mat. Like, where am I gonna put it? I did not just move into a new apartment that I need a mat, but this looks like a mat for the kitchen, probably.
Mat for the kitchen.
What I say, I know gifts. I know Thanks, does this come with the apartment?
Oh my god. Where's the keys for the apartment?
Really cute.
Wait, you gave the other one to big boy.
I need to go for my apartment. You're good.
Tupperware.
Hey!
Alonzo, Tupperware for your house?
Perfect.
You did good, girl.
I forgot to
The
get
waffle maker's all yours.
$1 million? Just kidding. Ethan! Ethan! Ethan made the baby cry. Ethan made the baby cry. He made the baby cry. And stole the most from. Right? Look at this man, he got a wee croissant. I mean a wee baguette. You can pretend you're in France.
Are you hungry?
Are you okay? I really want Tupperware. She ain't never gonna give you lunch money.
Oh, Andrea. You might as well get that. You don't know what's in
again,
there.
I'm done with this pressure. I'm stressed.
Wait, who's doing that?
That's Carla.
You still want to have my Tupperware yet?
Everybody steals everything from me.
I thought that was just open this.
Back to me, Anthony, please.
End the game, Andrea. No fun for anybody.
Ah.
Oh, it's soft.
It's a Raider blanket.
Ooh, screw you guys. I got the warm blanket.
Hey.
This is my aesthetic. Thank you.
That is yours.
See, told you.
That's cute.
So I keep this and the waffle maker ready.
Winner.
I'm good.
Oh, thank God, Pat. Jesus, I'm stressing out. I need this. And it's a full queen. My bed's full. Thank you. Who gave that?
I don't even know.
Was it your mom? Oh, I only asked because when I said, what is that? She's like, it's a really beautiful painting. I was like, oh yeah, super cute. But she got all defensive.
Like comment her down in the kitchen.
She's like, oh, calm down, it'll be fine.
She's hyperventilating. I'm never playing again. This stupid game. I know.
This would be cute if you lived in that house. You could paint it like right there. Move on. You got your gift. We all know that would be me though if I would have not gotten the blanket.
I know you got a cute one. You were all worried. And it was so cute.
Well, I figured out it was Aunt Carla's. That's why she didn't want to open it.
Oh.
Look, what are we giving Malia's to?
For me, I guess I'll open them. Kidding. I'll take them to her.
Can you give this to the Andrea? Those are from Malia, okay?
Thank you.
Another one from Malia.
Thank you guys. Malia's not here, but I will be stealing all these gifts for myself. I'm kidding. Arbella looked at me like, you better not steal those gifts. I'm kidding. They will be given to Malia. So guys, the whole family's taking pictures. We're not in it because we're antisocial.
Okay, smile.
Look at them. Look at them. Y'all get the tea. That's the real tea, everybody. That's the real tea. Morgan, me and Morgan were excluded.
Like blood relatives that should be in
The one with his pajamas weren't that bad.
Morgan. So meanwhile, I was just like, no, it's not gonna happen. Were you included in that selfie, Alonso?
I was.
With your dear loved family?
I was next to Junior. Because that I like.
David Dobrik watches all my vlogs. He would have never treated me like this.
Look at the Aggie. She's like, I gotta get on the Vlogmas one time, she said.
Daniel's already in the vlog.
Is Morgan in the vlog?
Yeah, me and Morgan were talking about being antisocial, except Morgan really wanted to be in it. I was talking about being antisocial. Alright guys, so we're ending the last day of Vlogmas. I thought I would do a little unboxing. I'm gonna open my gifts that I got. You guys are standing on my white elephant gift. I don't know if you guys saw that at the end. I ended up with the blanket, which I like the blanket. It was cool. Debbie's gift. I love how she put this on there. It's really cute. I'm gonna keep that part of it. She printed a different picture because she probably knew I didn't want that picture she put in there. She got me this cute little picture frame with the picture in it. Super cute. Definitely gonna put this picture in there. Like that one of all of us, but I don't like how I look in it, so I'll trade it for the bun she put in the back. Next, we have Erica's gift. Ooh, how cute. It's a little coach wristlet and it's yellow. I like it. My favorite color is yellow. Thank you so much, Erica and the boys. I like it because it's yellow and yellow is my favorite color. This is from Andrew. He told me to open it on camera. I'm excited. I'm pretty sure this is some merch. I'm excited. This is some merch. Hooked it up with the pink SF. It's his clothing line. I'll make sure to link it below so you guys could see it. Go support my nephew. His clothes are always super dope, but I've been telling him I've always been shouting it out. And I'm yet to get one, so I'm really excited that I got it. Here's his little brand. He has this tatted on him. It's kind of cool. I was with him when he got a tattoo. He's the one that I went and he got his tattoos. So it's pretty cool. It says Bay Area Natives on the side, which is his logo. And it's the SF one, because you guys know I was born in San Fran. I'm excited because I really have been wanting one of those. We're going to open my gift from Pat. She got me a collection of nail polishes and their Etsy, which are my favorite. I like this. Thank you, Pat. Ooh, this is cute. This is a cute little Nike sweatshirt. I'm into it. I like the color. And lastly, we got this from Coco. Oh, she wrote to Kylie from Coco. I love it. Oh, there's a little cute thank you. I wanted to put this in my head. It didn't work out. I think the sticky part ended up on here. Ooh, this smells like PGOs. Love me some candles. Thank you guys. Let's go get a pinkity pink drink. So that is all for my gifts. Hopefully Santa comes in the morning, but I will not. If you guys enjoyed Vlogmas 2018, I feel like I just look, I don't know right now. But, oh, this was the blanket that I got. I really like it. I'm gonna go cuddle with this blanket right now. But, yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed Vlogmas this year. I will see you guys in the new year. I finally get a break. A much needed break. Alright, well, give it a big thumbs up. Comment below any video ideas for the new year. And, yeah. Bye, guys. Is there stuff for you here? Niner.
Yeah.
What did I tell you guys? He knows what is for him. What's wrong? What's in there? What's in there? Good boy. There's another gift for you. Niner. This one's for you. Mm-hmm. Good boy. Oh my God, what did you get? What did you get?
Wow.
What did you get? Oh my God, did you get a Cupid? It's you. We got you a reindeer. We're gonna wake up in the morning, all the gifts are gonna be open.